Does this make what he sometimes did disappear? Hell no. The truth is, this is me and you today. And that's maybe where kindness and forgiveness actually begins. And maybe not. Not from being a good person, but from understanding something simple. Most of us are just doing the best we can with what we have. And as horrible as this sounds, maybe what I have as a father is not enough. And I need to find ways to be to my daughters what they need. And clearly, any advice is welcome. I have to find out because I cannot and will not parent from memory. That is too devastating to think about. And most of us, like me, figure this out too late. My hope is that you don't. What you have to say or hear might not be kindness, it might be the opposite. You know what? That's okay. Just don't leave what needs to be said to your son, daughter, mom, dad when there's only 15 minutes